Hi friends, welcome to A Wonderful Sheep and welcome to yet another unboxing. Two of my orders of Dalmajung Mini PCs are here. Let's get into it. 4 here and 4 here. Let me unwrap the plastic. Oh, and let me put down my cloth to protect my photo cards a little more. Okay, here's the first 4. Eek, here we go. I am prepared for a lot of dupes since I have seen some unboxings that seem to have a lot of dupes, but JK right off the bat. Oh, and did I show you this is what the packaging looks like? It's very beautiful. It's like the tage, the lacquerware design, traditional Korean lacquerware. I think this is Jungkook's special card, 55 of 56. Yes, I think this is the special card. So pretty. Namjoon, 6 of 56. So there are 56 cards and they've numbered them just like 1 through 56. So that's going to be a pain to try to figure out. 14 of 56. These are so beautiful. And I did hear there were a lot of defects as well. So let me check for defects as I open these. Yoongi, oh, this one is gorgeous of Yoongi. 20 of 56. I love how all the backgrounds are different, like there's different color palettes and different sets. These are just absolutely stunning. 30 of 56. Jimin이, oh my goodness, these are so beautiful, you guys. I've seen some spoiler photos already, but actually seeing them in person, these are gorgeous. 30 of 56 for Jimin이. And Tae, just beautiful. 16 of 56. And I know there's like night version and day version, right? So I'm assuming the back, this is night, this is day. So here's what a night and day back looks like. Oh my gosh. These are really, really, really pretty. Second set. Hobie! So I believe these selfie photos are the special cards. 31 of 56. Oh my gosh. Can we get any more gorgeous? Can we just be any more beautiful? 3 of 56. 10. Love that it's a full body shot. Like the set, the props, everything. It's beautiful. 11. Look at Yoongi lounging like the king he is. 17. Jimin이. 33. Oh, these are so pretty. Taeyang이. 44. Jungkook이. 52. No dupes yet, that's good. I'm just really hoping that this second order is not the exact same as this first order. Set 3. Jimin이 special card. $39. Jimin이 special card is 39. Gorgeous man right there. 4. Love this one of Jin. 12. Cutie patootie. So pretty. 18. Focus on Hobie. Love that there's a full body shot. So cute. Look at Hobie's shoes. Look at his little sandals. So cute. 28. V. 45. And Jungkook이 49. Next. 1, 2, 3. Tae's special card. Oh, I love this angle too. It's kind of funny how up front his beautiful hands are. This photo is not super high quality though. Like compared to the like photo shoot photos, you can see the difference in the photo quality of the special card. But Tae's special card is number 48. 남준이 5. Oh, dupe. My first dupe. Jin. Oops. 11. It's okay. Yoongi. 21. My first night version of Yoongi, I think. Oh no, another dupe for Hobie. It's okay. 28. Look at this. Look at this Jiminy. Just look at that. 37. And then I guess this is Jungkook's like full body shot one. Also look at his sandals too. So cute. 54. All right, so not too bad for the first order. There are only 2 dupes here, but the moment of truth is the second set. I'm really hoping there's not a lot of dupes. So obviously there's no unit card, but there is a special card and then 8 cards in total per member because there's 56. All right, here is the second batch. Literally, I'm very nervous. Please just don't let it be like the exact same set of cards. Wait, what's going on? So was this not Hobie's special card? It was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm confused. I thought the special card was supposed to be on top, but this is Hobie's 32. Dupe for Namjooni is 3. This is a new one for Jin. 9. Yoongi's like full body shot one. Love the props in the set. 19. A new one for Jiminy. 36, his night version. My gosh, Tae is reclining, you guys. He is looking like the king he is. 43, and then this is a dupe for JK. 52. Starting to get dupes. 1, 2, 3. This is Jiminy's. Wait, which was the special card in here then? So is this J-Hope special card? I'm so confused. This is clearly not a special card. This is clearly not a special card, but these backs both look special. I'm confused. Please let it not be the same exact. Oh no. Okay, no, it looks different. Okay, so this is Jiminy's 40, which we already have. And this one is also a dupe. But this looks different, right? This Jin. 10. Dupe. 20. Hobie looks different. This one is gorgeous of Hobie. 29. Taeyoung with the fan. 42. Oh, and a new JK. 53. One of his night versions. Okay. 2 packs left. So, Hobie special card, I think. Why can't they make it, like, not give it a number or something? This is very confusing. I don't understand what this card is, but 31, I think is his special card. I've got another one of these, 3 of these. Oh no, is this the same set? Hobi special card in front, and then Namjoon with his hands on his face. Jin full body shot. Yep, Yoongi reclining. Yep, Jimin이 standing. Taeyang이 standing. Jungkook이 looking off into the distance. So that was an exact duplicate set. Last pack for now. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. No! Are you joking? Are you joking me? Yep, okay. So out of 8 packs, 3 were the exact same set. Let me try to figure out the numbers and see if I can put a layout together. I'll be back. But yes, 3 of the same packs. No! Alright, I'll be back. Alright, friends, here's the final tally. A lot more duplicates, so a lot more to find. And as I started sleeving them, I did notice there are some little tiny defects on these cards, a lot more than in the past, I think. But here we go. I think it's 20 cards in total I need. If I'm gonna try for OT7 for all of the members, which I'm not sure yet, but we shall see. Okay, thank you for watching. Stay safe and well. I'll see you next time. Bye. I forgot to mention, so I figured out I'm not sure which one is the special card, but there's 2 selfie photos at the end of each member's row. So it's generally like 4-day photos and then 2 night photos, but then some of them are like 3-day photos, and I think Jimin이 has 3 night photos and then 2 selfies. I think Jungkook is 4-day, 2 night, 2 selfies, 4-day, 2 night, 2 selfies. But anyway, the last 2 selfie photos for each member, one has a scalloped edge and one has this backing, like this vertical design edge. Yeah, and it's not consistent. There's not an equal number of day and night photos for the members, but generally it looks like there's 4-day, 2 night. Hobi has maybe only 1 night. Looks like. But yeah, okay, that's it. Bye.